Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power delivery and peripherals are ready. Plug your Mac into its power adapter and make sure the external monitor is powered and receiving a signal. Pair or connect an external keyboard and mouse. Bluetooth pairing ahead of time avoids surprises. Open system settings and adjust sleep settings so closing the lid won't suspend immediately. This prevents display loss. Once done, you're ready for the first physical step. Close the lid with the external input active and watch the monitor take over. Once the lid is closed and the external devices are recognized, confirm the external monitor is the primary display. Go to Display Settings and choose Arrangement or mark it as primary. This ensures menus and the dock appear where you expect. Next, switch audio output to the monitor or external speakers in sound settings because closing the lid can change default devices. If windows moved oddly, use Mission Control to redistribute them. Make sure hot corners and keyboard shortcuts still work before relying on clamshell. To finish, verify wake behavior by pressing an external key or clicking the mouse. The monitor should wake and display the Mac OS desktop. If the monitor remains black, reopen the lid, reconnect or swap cables, and restart the Mac to force detection. Make sure Mac OS is updated. Outdated firmware can break clamshell mode. If problems persist, perform an SMC or PRAM reset. These fix low-level hardware states. One tip: always test with a spare cable or adapter to isolate faulty connectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.